Calculating BMI by KayScience.com. BMI is a very good indicator to indicate somebody's health. It indicates their health by using their mass and their height to see if they fall within a normal range of what someone should weigh for that particular height. So you can be underweight, normal weight, overweight, obese, or morbidly obese. I'm now going to show you how to calculate somebody's BMI using their mass and height. So to begin with, you must measure their mass. This person has a mass of 120 kilograms. So they've got a mass of 120 kilograms. Then you need to work out their height. This person has a height of 185 centimeters. So now you use the equation for BMI. So someone's BMI is equal to their mass in kilograms divided by their height in meters squared. The units are vital. So the person's BMI here is 120 kilograms divided by their height, but I've got their height in centimeters. So you must convert this centimeters into meters. So that's 1.85 meters. So you divide 120 kilograms by 1.85 meters squared. You must square the height. And that will give you an answer of 35, which makes this person borderline between being obese and extremely obese. Let's now calculate this healthy looking person's BMI. They've got a mass of 140 kilograms. Their height is 192 centimeters. So their BMI is equal to 140 kilograms divided by 1.92 meters squared, not centimeters. This gives them a BMI of 38. So 38 is extremely obese. But are they? No. This is because muscle weighs more than fat. So someone who is very athletic can come out as obese on the BMI chart, but they are perfectly healthy. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Pause the video here to calculate these people's BMIs and identify whether they are obese, extremely obese, underweight, overweight, or normal weight. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Visit KayScience.com for more free videos, worksheets, and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.